Hi, I'm Dave with Heise, and today we will be going over several voltage monitoring options for the Heise PTE-2 Handheld Calibrator. The HHC has the ability to provide and measure voltage and current. It has a 24-volt loop power supply and probes can be plugged in at the top. The connections provided are 24-volt DC out, 0 to 22 milliamp in, common, and 0 to 33-volt DC in. Press menu key, highlight 24-volt loop supply on-off, press enter. HHC will return to measurement mode and 24 volt is shown on the center bottom of the display to indicate power supply is activated. To disable 24 volt power supply, press menu key. Highlight 24 volt loop supply on/off. Press enter. HHC will return to measurement mode. 24 volt has been removed from the display. Power supply is now deactivated. The 24-volt loop supply is rated to source up to 35 milliamps of current. Overload protection is activated at approximately 54 milliamps. If the load current exceeds this value, the overload protection function deactivates the loop supply and will switch off the 24-volt icon on the LCD display. Remove the excessive load from the circuit and attempt to activate the 24-volt loop power supply via the menu as described above. In this video, we reviewed the power supply operation, overload error, and milliamp DC voltage monitoring features for the PTE-2 Handheld Calibrator. Check out our website at www.heise.com or give us a call at 203-378-8281.